Phua from Szenan-Balance, the acupuncturist. Well, today our topic, we're going to talk about tinnitus. What is tinnitus? Tinnitus is actually ringing sound that you can hear, the ringing sound, some sound that in your ear, but that sound is not surrounding from the surrounding area from others people, which means people that surrounding you, they can't hear, and just you, yes, just you can hear. Right? We're going to talk about tinnitus, ringing sound in your ear. Now, what are you going to do? What can you do, and what causes tinnitus? Well, from today's start, we're gonna set up a little topic every day. It's about 10 minutes for this topic. Okay, then I'm gonna show you some acupressure point that how you can perform acupressure point for tinnitus. Well, a lot of people suffer with tinnitus, and it's annoying. It's very annoying. And what is the best treatment for tinnitus? We actually offer acupuncture and Chinese medicine. Well, now we have experience, and we successfully treat tinnitus, and your medical doctor or your GP may not know about acupuncture and Chinese medicine could help tinnitus, right? So we have treating a lot in the last 14 years, and I'll go through it from today, little topic every day to show you where it come from, what do we think about tinnitus according to Chinese medicines. Now, if you're in this live video on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, please give me a thumbs up and say hi to me. And as well as share this live video. If you're on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, please give me a thumbs up and ring the bell and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now, let's start to talk about tinnitus. Well, many people experience an occasional ringing. It could be ringing, it could be buzzy, it could be a roaring or tickling in the ears, in their ears. It can be one ear, can be both. Right? The sound usually lasts for only a few minutes. Right? I have experience with that. I don't know about you. If you have the experience of this kind of sound that people can hear, it's sounding like, I have that. It may just last few minutes or just few seconds, not even minutes. Okay, ringing sound in the ears that does not get better or go away. What do we call that? It's called tinnitus. Well, in a medical term, we call it tinnitus. You may hear a sound such as a ringing or roaring. What's ringing? It can be. It could be high pitch. It could be low pitch. This kind of sound does not come from your surrounding. Nobody can hear you. People around you, they can't hear you. You ask your partner, you ask your family members, none of them can hear. And some people may think, oh, this is some bird. It's not from the birds. Right? It is not. Well, if you ask people around you and nobody can hear you, and just you can hear, and that is tinnitus. So the sound may keep time with your heartbeat. It may keep pace with your breathing. So what does that mean? Now, some people they're not hearing the kind of sound ringing. They actually keep boop, 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 like your heart pulsing. Your heart actually beeping is that kind of sound. Now, in general, as we are normal, you're not supposed to hear your heartbeat, right? This is the one. You're not supposed to hear your heartbeat. But when should you hear? So if you put your ear in your partner and the people's chest, then you'll be able to hear it, right? If you hear your heartbeat, that is abnormal. But or you can hear something that in your neck in here, then that could be what we call tinnitus as well, like the muscle twitching, that kind of sound, and that is a type of tinnitus as well. Um, Tinnitus is most common in people older, much older, right? It's about older than age 40, right? So apparently men have problems with tinnitus more often than women. Men more often than women. But it's funny enough that I actually see more women than men. It could be because we're seeing more women in our clinic. So in our case, are actually more women than men. Okay, because our clinic see a lot of fertility issues, problem, and women health issues. So we actually seeing more cases with tinnitus in women than men, to be honest. More intense at night before sleeping. Yeah, Lucia, that's right. Now, tinnitus more intense at night time before sleeping. Yeah, it could be that. Yes, I absolutely agree with that. Now, tinnitus when it's silent, you hear it more obvious. When people talking around in daytime, there's car around there is other building sounds around it, you don't hear as much. At nighttime, more obvious when it's silent. So what happened is people buy white noise, or people turn on radio the whole day, or the whole night, for them to be able to get to sleep. Okay, that's one thing. That is not exactly treating it. You're just getting something to help for you be able to go to sleep, to help you to go to sleep, right? Yeah, more intense when I pay attention to it. Yes, it could be that. That is why there's another treatment called to make it into your life, to accept it rather than against this noise, which means you accept that, you try to focus on it and relax on your focusing, close your eyes and you hear it and you make friend with it, to accept this part of their life. When you accept it, it's there, but you don't hear as much, or put it that way, you still hear it, but it's not to the point that annoying you, because you accept it already, right? This is one thing, right? Today, we're gonna finish in here. So acupuncture and Chinese medicine will be able to help it, and in the next couple of days, we're gonna keep going with this topic. We're gonna let you know. We're gonna talk about what causing it, and what is the best treatment for it, and what can you do at home, right? There's something that you can do that I show my patients some acupressure point that to help them reduce, and you may get instant relief once you do those acupressure point. Right? It may, right? It may not. If it's not, then, or even it may, you get result from it, and it keep coming back. And the best solution is, go for acupuncture and Chinese medicine treatment. But you have to find the right person, because tinnitus is very difficult case, and not everyone have the experience and confidence to deal with it. But we do have a lot of cases in our clinic, and we do do it successfully with tinnitus. So if you're in Hamilton, New Zealand, this is the number that you can contact us: 0784679956, 0784679956. Now, if you're acupuncturist, now stay tuned. We're going to go through slowly and let you know. Sorry for the question. Do you have any treatment for vertigo yet? Vertigo, dizziness. Okay. One of the tinnitus is causing from vertigo. Which type? More common, mania disease. Yes, we treat mania disease, and I have recently just treated one mania disease as causing hearing loss. And I spent about 2 months to get her hearing back to normal. And that's a nerve damage, which the specialist told her that that's not going to recover at all, 100% no, right? And she was very, very sad about it. But when she came for dizziness, vertigo, and I treated vertigo, and I know this is mania disease, and I told her that, well, what about you? I asked her, what about your ear? Ringing sound. Do you get ringing sound? She said, no, I don't get ringing sound. Or she got not hit. She can't hear in one ear at all. I said, well, let's try acupuncture. I didn't promise because it's a very difficult case. And I put some needle in, and she actually felt she can hear. She start to hear things. Because how do we know? We block in one ear and test out this ear before acupuncture. And I talk, and she can't hear. And her daughter is beside. And then I put needle in, and I block that one, and I stimulate needles, and I talk again, and she said, I can hear you a little bit. And she started to cry. Why is that? Because she see hope. It was happiness because she see hope that she can hear a little bit. And I told her that, well, your specialist was not right. I think I will be able to help you because we tested out already. You instantly respond to my treatment. And then we keep going for about 2 months, and she can hear properly. No problem at all. So yes, Lucia, vertigo is one of our specialized things. We treat a lot of vertigo as well. And vertigo, one of it is mania disease, and it can cause from others as well. Now, if you are an acupuncturist and you would like to know more about me, or you would like to know about how we actually help be able to treat all this problem, we have an online courses, which is Balance Method Acupuncture, Local Balance. And Balance Method Acupuncture is one of the techniques that I use to treat tinnitus. Well, you can go down there and check on the link and click it and buy our online courses, and I'll support you, and you have money back guarantee for the online courses within 30 days. If you're not happy about it, and you can tell me, and I'll send you back the money. Right? Stay awesome, and I love you all. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.